Hello friends, I'm Vicky. I'm Amanda. Welcome to meeting room. Today we are going to introduce you our meeting package. It covers 13,000 square meters and 10,500 square meters in workshops. We totally have 18 production lines and 2 workshops.
Wow, it's much bigger than I expected. So how many people work in this plant?
There are 330 employees, after which 215 frontline works, running on 18 production lines in 2 shifts. Okay, let's go for it.
Okay, let's go for it. Our semi-finished products.
Wow, it's a big workshop. So, what's the production capacity?
Good question. We can produce concealed slide 400,000 sets and Dropbox 200,000 sets per month.
Really? That really surprised me. How does the new factory efficiently accomplish this value?
Okay, let's reveal the secret for you. These are our facilities. We own 17 group brokers, 83 continuous stamping machines, 350 ton 2 sets, 250 ton 5 sets, 125 ton 2 sets, 8 automatic welding machines, 12 dropped arms, and 47 single stroke machines to guarantee work smoothly going. We also have some fully automatic machines, Dropbox slide automatic machines 2 sets, conceal slide automatic machine 2 sets, Dropbox rack automatic machine 2 sets, bead loading automatic machine 2 sets, bead rack automatic machine 2 sets, side water hook machine 2 sets, grinder machine 5 sets, and some other machines.
No wonder our production capacity has increased so much in just a few years. Most products are finished by automatic machine, so no need too many workers.
We also adopt the 5S management to improve effectiveness. Each area is regularly divided. More details can be shown on the whiteboard. See the detailed drawings and some requirements. It will help workers to understand which step they are doing. Here comes the last step, the stacking. They are fully automatic machines. Just a few supervisors. At our 18 production lines, line 1 to line 9 for Dropbox and line 10 to line 18 for concealed.
Wow, so advanced machines. There are not many tasks because the machine can finish by themselves.
Yes, if we have all the limits outcome, we still has difficulty to practice. How can we produce so very big quantity products?
We have 17 sites fully automatic machines, and automation rate is approximately 14%.
No wonder we have so high productive capacity.
You know why we have a high production capacity? At the same time, there are very few customer complaints.
We have a great quality control management system. We adopt the procedure of first inspection, and after it qualified, then comes the mass production.
Yeah, the qualified products will be packed correctly, and unqualified products will be put in the box. Beautiful products will work. Yeah, we can follow the We have self-application machine, sliding global test machine, content temperature machine, machine. We have 2 or 3 workers to supervise this procedure. We will check all machines at the beginning every month. We can't allow any unqualified products to appear in the market. Once we found it's a problem, we will destroy it at once.
Yeah, we have obtained the certificate of ISO 9001, FRA, EHCI. All the products are qualified by STS report, and also can be the international standards such as EN 15338,